Hazur, there are many questions regarding the wars in Islamic countries, violence and fighting, and why it is so that in the Islamic countries there is so much fighting.
In fact, this is the fate of every religion after it grows old, that the followers of that religion have many infights. So understand yourself, during the first two world wars, what happened? It was the Christians who were fighting against the Christians, and the Jews who were fighting against the Jews. So this infight is a matter of decadence. When a religious follower go into decadence, they forget their original beliefs, which are against fighting each other. According to Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, if one slaps on your one cheek, offer the other. But that is not happening in Christian world today. If somebody slaps on one cheek, they slap on that cheek and on the other cheek, and so much so that the revenge is endless. So this is a sign of decadence. If this is happening in the Muslim world, why are you surprised? The Muslims are also going through a period of their decadence, and they have many infights between Shias and Sunnis, and Sunnis and Sunnis, and Shias and Shias. There is no end to their mutual wars. Like in Afghanistan, it is the Muslims who are fighting the Muslims. They are not fighting any other person than the Muslims themselves. So, as I have said, this is only a sign of decadence of Islam.